Okay, here we go. Paul and Victor.
Hey,
Hi, Paul.
how are you doing?
Oh, I'm good.
Okay, you ready? You think you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Chickabito,
Chi.
chickabito,
Chi.
Akiki popo, kiki popo, papa, chi, papa, chi, akiki popo, kiki popo, simu simu se, simu simu se, a willy willy mitty, a willy willy mitty, viva, viva, hey! Oh, cool, you almost got it, eh?
I did get it.
Nah, we'll go. I want to make sure, so we're gonna go faster.
Okay.
Yeah, I like faster.
Okay, let's go faster then.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Chickabito,
Chi.
chickabito,
Chi.
Akiki popo, rupa chi, akiki popo, simu simu se, a willy mitty,
Viva, viva, hey!
Oh man, cool, you almost got it, eh?
I did get it.
Nah,
You remember the deal?
what's that deal?
I go to rugby practice and I learn all the moves for rugby and I come and teach you.
Yeah.
And you go to our poly club, learn all the dance moves and you come and teach me.
Oh, nah, I don't like that deal.
Well, what deal you want?
How about I go and learn the poly moves,
Yeah?
then I come and teach it to you,
Yeah?
and then you give me your lunch.
That doesn't sound like a good deal.
Sounds good to me.
So, did you go and get the material for our lava lava?
Oh yeah, I went to the shop and I got about 5 meters.
Oh, thank you.
What for? It's only enough just to go around me.
Oh, that's all right. I go get my own material for my lava lava. But I got the baby oil for us to rub on our bodies.
Nah, I don't use that anymore.
Why?
Because I'm not a baby.
So what are you gonna use?
I use a granola.
Why granola oil?
Because it's low fat.
Oh well, doesn't matter, because the festival's the day after tomorrow, the Poly Festival's
Yeah.
the day after. And you can't teach me all the moves of the dances of all the different island groups.
Yeah, I can teach it to you.
No,
Yeah.
not if you only teach me Chikamiro. You can't teach me any other dance in 2 days.
Yeah, I got a secret formula.
Huh?
Yeah, I can teach it to you. I can teach it.
Well, how are you going to teach me like the Tokelau, the Tongan, the Samoan, and the Cook Island dance?
Those are easy, man. Those are easy.
Oh, how are you going to teach me?
Because, I don't know all the words to the song.
Yeah.
But I know all the accent, and I make the accent tell me a story. So if I remember the story, then I remember the accent.
Oh, okay. Well, tell me the story for the actions of the Tokelau dance thing.
Those are easy, man.
Okay, show me then.
Okay. The story is, imagine you playing for the All Blacks.
Yeah,
Okay, and you're getting ready for a big game.
yeah,
Yeah. So you have to warm up first.
yep,
So you warm up your lower body first.
yeah,
Yeah, and then the other side.
yeah,
Then you warm up your upper body.
yeah,
Yeah, and the other side.
yeah.
Yeah, and then you add the weights. See? Awe kapaku, engawe lima, engawe. See, then you go faster. Awe kapaku, engawe lima, engawe. Jesus,
Oh,
yeah.
That's a cool story, man. I think I'll learn the Tokelau dance.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, what about the Tongan dance, man?
This is easy, man.
Okay, tell me your story for the Tongan then so I can remember the actions.
Okay, the story is just pretend that this is a really pretty Tongan, Foilale. She's standing outside the house, and she see me. I'm going for a jog.
You going for a jog?
It's just a story, man.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So she see I'm going for a jog. Then she want to invite me to come into the house. She only use her hands.
Okay, show me.
She go like this. Yeah, you know that?
Yeah.
Just go, come here, you sexy babe.
Yeah.
But then she see I'm nervous because I take off my top, and she see I got a really big muscles.
What?
It's just a story, man.
Oh, man, that's a good story.
So this time she used her hands and her head to invite me to come into the house.
Oh, like hell.
She go like this. Say, come here, you hunk of a man.
Oh, but then, how are you going to teach me the actions for the Tongan men?